Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is my 1 month, 1 palette. If you see two of these videos kind of close, I did film them a month apart, but bold Steph never uploaded the first one in the right time frame. But anyway, there has been a month between them, so that's fine. So the product I was working on, or that I had rolled last month, or for those of you who don't know, I randomly select between my palettes and then we use the whatever palette we get for that month. If we don't like it, we'll get rid of it. So it's a good way to get use out of palettes aside from my Panda palette. So the last time I had randomly selected the Huda Beauty palette in Coral Obsessions, and this look today is what I'm using with this palette. A blind ya? Will this stop it blinding? No. So this is the palette. And there are swatches in the last video, so I will insert a link in the cards to that video so you can see some swatches. As far as I know, I swatched them. So I really enjoy this palette. As I said, the look I have on today, I don't know if that's any help, but the look I have on today is created with this palette. And all of the shades, like it fits, there's 9 pans in it. It fits in the palm of your hand. Each shade is there's 1, 3, 4, 5, 6. There is 7 matte shades and 2 shimmer shades. I wear the shimmer shades wet. You can use them dry. It's not as good dry. It doesn't have as much of a payoff dry, but it can be used dry. I just spray my brush and off I go. Really nice, very comfortable formula. Look at that. I know I said I wouldn't do that, but it's not anything groundbreaking, but it is. I think that the shimmer shades are groundbreaking. They're like a foiled, but the matte shades are nothing new, so you could have something in your collection already that is quite similar to it. But if you're looking for something for 20 something euros, it's very good value and it's very worth it. And I'm glad I got to use it for the month. I got it for Christmas off Pork, this year just gone. And normally I pan eyeshadow palettes and I pan the oldest palette in my collection, and then everything else is getting old. And so I don't want to do that anymore. Like I want to do a bit of both. So we've used this for a full month. And I only got it in December, like for Santi, and I really enjoy it. I'm going to pop it back in the collection and we're going to keep it. So, we'll pop it back in a minute. It's going there for now. Next, what we're going to do is randomly select using my randomizer app. I have 29 palettes at the moment. And if I roll a palette that I'm currently working on or have worked on, we'll roll again, because we're not learning anything new or using something if we've rolled something else already. So from 1 to 29, what shade is that? What shade? Number 13, so let's go check. 13, I have a little list here on my phone. So 13, oh God, okay. I was lucky the first 2 months. It is my Z palette. Right, let me just go get it. Okay, now you know what? I deserved that, because I was so lucky the last time. How am I going to carry this to work? Look at the size of it. Okay, so this is my Z palette. It is full of Makeup Geek eyeshadows, bar these the bottom 2. I don't know, who's this one by? Haven't a clue, but I know I got it in a chemist. So these are all makeup, no, they're not. Sorry, this one isn't. Who are you? Oops. Okay, I don't know if I've edited out that breakdown that I had, but as you can see, the color scheme of my room is cream and the eyeshadow fell onto the carpet. How am I going to get that out of the carpet? Oh, how did I do that? Stupid. Ugh. I don't think that this one is Makeup Geek as well. I am angry with myself and this palette for that, even though it's an inanimate object. Anyway, I can see it right there. So these are all Makeup Geek eyeshadows, bar this one and this one. At the time I bought this, it was all of the duochromes. These top, this to here is not. So what shades have we got in here? Oh God. We have Mocha, Preppy. Sorry about this, I don't really know the best way to do this. Chickadee. This yellow shade is Lemon Drop. This is where it gets duochromy now. Is it? No. This is Bitten. Huh. I have no idea what that was. Right, well, we'll just swatch a few of them here. My hand has a little bit of swatches on it already. I should have thought this through. So we'll swatch this one. I know from I swatched this one here, this purpley one. I know from using this in the past that these are better wet. That purpley one there, I might see, here we go. What's this one? This one is My Thai. This one over here, God, I apologize. This is not my forte, is it? This one here. So they're grand. I don't know enough about them. I bought them years ago. And I don't know, like, what's this one like? Well, that looks nice. That looks quite similar, that one up here, doesn't it? Like, why do we do this to ourselves? Like, why? Right, they actually look quite nice. Okay. Look at that, what just got on my hand? What is happening today? Right, well, we'll do one more swatch, because this is going to go in my bag now for work. It's that Goldie second one down. These are all duochromes, and I bought them because, it's car outside, I had a duochrome love for life. I'm actually, you know what, I'm glad, because these are all of my single eye, no, bar one, I have one other single eyeshadow. This is all of my single eyeshadows in the Z palette. And, oh look, I left the sticker, sorry, I'm stupid right now. This sticker is for Casanova, so it is for one of the eyeshadow products, but it doesn't say what the brand is for the eyeshadow that's in there. So Makeup Geek eyeshadows you're going to get used. I don't know, am I going to declutter any of these? I don't think so. Like these, it's not, if I declutter one of these, it's not taking up, removing any space. Do you know what I mean? Honest, I didn't like them all. But look, there's no point hanging on to something if you don't like it. But I don't know how I would give this to someone. Like, because how do you give that away? Like, what you put it in. I don't know, we're going to use this for the month. We're going to see if we can come up with any looks, and hopefully we can, and if we like it, we'll keep it. If not, there's just no point, because I've done my inventory and I've seen how bad that has gotten out of hand. So we're going to work on this for the month. Kind of glad now, but I was initially shocked. However, I am absolutely devastated about the carpet, and I do not know what to do to fix that, because if I rub it, it's going to get worse. What am I going to do? Right, anyway, thanks a million for watching, and we'll see you in a month in relation to this. I'll see you the next time.